Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will learn how to create products from our Shopify custom app. So first we have a button to create the product. So in the page component, we have a primary action content create button, and on the action we handle the create function, which is described over here, and we will set the state creating true and set the title empty and set the price empty and set active true. Set active true, which will open a model, and here is a model code. Model on open active, and in the model we have a title create product, and then content is save. On action we will handle save, and loading is loading, and for the secondary action we have cancel button, and in the handle save we will create a new forms data, and we will append the title, and we'll pass the title which we will grab from the pop-up, and then the price, and then we will submit this request and pass the form data, and method will be post, and action will go over here, and we have a new file app.product.create.jsx where our action is being performed. In the request we will get the authentication from the admin. This will authenticate our request in the Shopify. Then we have a form data which is coming on the request.formData function. Then we will grab the title and the price. Then we will make the GraphQL query. For the GraphQL query, we will write await admin.graphql function, and here is a mutation to create the product. And in the product create, we will pass the ID and title. We'll pass the title, and it will return us ID and title. And once we have the product ID, then we will we'll make another request to create the variant. For creating the variant, we'll pass the ID and price. And finally, we'll get the response and we'll pass that response back. So if I go here, and as you can see, we have a button, and if I click on this button, we have title field and the price field, which is coming from here, from the model. This one, the model price and the field. And if I type new product from custom app, then price, let's say 100, save this, and it will take some time and add that product. And if I go to the products and filter them, created at newest first, sort product, and as you can see, we have a new product from custom app. So this is how you can add product from your custom Shopify app. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.